So, Goose Woods took us an absolute age to get here. Roadworks on the 249 and then lots of lorries on the 20, but we're here. Let's get started, eh? Let's get started on some strimming. Okay, it's the first part of the pathway strimmed and I'm already sweating like you wouldn't believe. So this is the area we've got to do. Shouldn't take you too long. I'm going to walk back to the van and get my supplies, my drinks and other bits and pieces. You see, I didn't go mad on it. I just wanted to be able to walk through here with a trolley and an upcycled fridge freezer, or if I get to look at it later on today, little donkey, which for those that don't know was a sit-on garden lawnmower that I bought quite a number of years ago. Used to pull a trailer around the woodland collecting logs when I lived in Essex and had a log burner. Of course now I've no longer got a log burner, but what we have got is fridge freezers. So it'll come in useful if I can get it working again, to be able to drive it down this track to the van, put the fridge freezers in the trailer, and then basically over a period of time we'll get some other tracks cut. We can have a number of different apiaries dotted about Goosewood. As you can see, I've got one there, I've got a couple over there, I've got about 3 further down. It all depended how far I could drag them before I was knackered. Remember, I got COPD. So this is a quick before shot. Totally overgrown. This all used to be flat. Used to camp over here. People used to put tents up. Anyway, I digress. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We've got 6 fridges here. I'm going to have a look through them all. See which one is the best one to start with. And then next time I come over, I'll bring the generator, the tools, and I'm going to convert it into the type of top bar hive that I do now. And slowly convert all of these fridges over. Because some of them, if I remember rightly, I made them to take frames. We don't want frames, we just want top bars. Let the bees get on with it. I think that's break time. Time for a vape. I've probably done about, well, maybe half of it. Half of this bit that I want to do. Now I've got some rakes. I can rake it all up into the middle. Let it all dry off. We'll come over and have a bonfire one night. Just got to cut down the rest of these fridges. Down through that way is the first apiary that I've ever put over here. So that needs to be cut out. Then around that apiary, all these hazel that are popping up, they can all come down. I've got enough hazel in this woodland. I might leave this little clump here, just do a path around it. Give it about 8 years, we can make some walking sticks. I'm having a well-deserved sit down. It's just done a whole tank of petrol from the van down the entrance corridor, if you like, and then just strimmed all of this down. Still needs a little bit of tidying up around the edges, but I just wanted it so as I could get to those fridges easy enough to work on them, because they won't be staying here once they've been upcycled. I'm going to cut another apiary maybe over in that direction. I've got the Lions freezer hive over there, so I'll probably add 2 or 3 over there. But for now, let's have a vape and some Mango Loco Juice Monster. God, it's hot. That was handy. I don't know what I hit, but whatever it was tough because I lost a tooth. Sheared straight off. But having a shed in the woodland, I found a brand new one. That's been there at least 5 years in the wrapper. Happy days. Strim's lovely. No cut off limbs yet. Lovely day over here, but it's hot. It only bloody started, didn't it? Stuck some petrol in it. Give it a kiss. We'll see if we can pump the tyres up. Little donkey lives again. It was a good idea to bring the caravan keys with me. Definitely needed that over here. But 3/4 of it done. I've done the campsite area, I've done the pathway back to the van, done the pathway back over to the out apiary, or the first out apiary. Just got to stick a bee suit on there, go over that way, string around that beehive. Laters. So even though it didn't have bees in it, either a wasp or hornet queen has made a nest in it. It's probably died, otherwise it would have been a lot bigger by now.